Hi guys, I put this wooden kit together the other night. It's rather a nice kit, nice bit of detail on it, one of those Woodcraft kits. And if I take the bottom out, we've got quite a large area in there. So I was thinking, can I make it radio controlled? Only toy grade, nothing clever. I'm not going to try and animate the turret and the barrel. So I've been looking through my bits and pieces. This would be ideal because it's actually two separate motors driving each side of the output there. The shaft is just a freewheel. It's these toothed dog teeth, I think they call them, where it's just two sticking out. So they would turn in opposite directions and give us perfect tank movement. But that's, well, it would just about fit in there, but the wheels that come with this are much too big, so I'd have to play around to make that fit. That little bit chassis and all the rest of it fits in there easily, but unfortunately it's one of those ones I've got that I can't find a matching transmitter for that receiver, so I could swap it out. I was looking at swapping it out for that one because that one does work, but I was digging a bit further and I found this one, which I've got a matching transmitter for. I never used to have a matching transmitter. Had this one in the junk box for a long time. This transmitter turned up a few months ago, and I found it matches. So that will be my easiest modification. Just put a couple of spacer pieces in there, get it so the wheels just clear the bottom, and that should do the job. So a nice simple toy grade radio control modification. And if I position it more or less in the middle, it's got such a short wheelbase, it'll never look like proper tank steering, because it's going to be those steering wheels that are doing the turning rather than having opposite direction track. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get some bits of cardboard or something just so we can position that in the right place and see if it works. So I don't need my soldering iron, which I've got all ready to rearrange everything. I should be able to just use my hot glue gun. Just a quick peek underneath. As I say, the bare minimum of work there. Just a couple of bits of cardboard straight across to hold it in place, to hold the radio control car chassis in place. I've sunk it in as deep as I can so it looks about right when it's on the ground. So yeah, very simple radio controlled tank. Forwards, yeah. It's quite a quiet little motor in there as well. I'll go and see if I can put one of my little cameras on it just to drive it around for a minute. I've put my mini camera on the end of the barrel. circles drop down. I'll put it somewhere else. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.